Hi, my name is Amir Muhammad Samar. I'm the BDCC Workforce Project Manager. Today, I'm going to talk about what the American workplace looks like. I'll talk first about responsibilities the employer has for you as an employee. Then I'll talk about the responsibilities of employees. Employers' responsibilities. Compensation equality. Employees that perform the same job must receive equal compensation. This applies not only to the base salary, but also bonuses, overtime pay, equity, and any other form of compensation you may be granted by your employer. However, experience, time on the job, additional responsibilities, or skills can be the basis for additional pay. Safe workplace. All employers must guarantee safe working conditions that will not cause employees to be injured, sick, or killed. To safeguard this principle, employees have the right to know about health and safety conditions of a company and receive as much information, instruction, and training as needed to ensure their health and safety. You can refuse to perform tasks that could affect you and others' health and safety. Moreover, your workplace must comply with occupational safety and health standards defined for your specific job activity. BDCC and ECDC can help employers arrange interpretation and translation so that you are properly trained to ensure your ability to perform a job safely. Discrimination in the workplace based on race, religion, sex, political opinion, national or social origin, or disability are strictly forbidden based on federal law. This includes decisions regarding compensation, hiring, firing, or promoting an individual. Companies must document and enforce non-discrimination policies. They need to provide you as any employee with detail about procedures in case of a problem and resources at your disposal if you experience discrimination. Harassment-free workplace. A safe working environment also means that employees are protected against harassment. Companies are required to have policies that protect employees against any form of harassment based on race, gender, religion, disability, nationality, sexual orientation, age. Employees are also held responsible for harassment towards other employees. Your behavior towards other workers can be the basis for demotion or dismissal. Family and medical leave. Family and medical leave involves your employer protecting your job if you need to take leave for a medical condition to take care of family members that may have a serious health condition or childbirth. The amount of time and terms such as paid versus unpaid for family or medical leave varies from company to company. Minimum wage. Employers must pay a salary equal or above their state minimum wage. Vermont minimum wage in 2022 is $12.55 per hour. The federal or national minimum wage is $7.25 per hour, and many states conform to that level. Note, you can find out about your workplace rights and responsibilities in your own language in multilingual website mentioned below. Employees' responsibilities. Work safely. You need to be actively taking care of your personal health and safety whilst in the workplace and avoid doing anything that could compromise this. You also need to make sure you are not putting anyone else in danger. Do not undertake work if you are not confident that you can do the task safely Ask your supervisor for guidance and training. Follow instructions. Part of your responsibility is to follow all reasonable or safe directions by your supervisor. Use required personal protective equipment in the way you were trained and instructed to use it. Report any hazards, illness, and injuries. Employees have a responsibility to let employers know of any dangers they come across in the workplace so that they can deal with it. They may affect the health of other employees as well as your own. Punctuality and attendance. This is the most important thing to most American employers and a common area of misunderstanding and cultural difference. Being on time and coming to work consistently is important regardless of your position. Understanding the expectations of punctuality and attendance can help you develop respectful, professional habits for the workplace to build a productive work environment. Communication about any accommodation or change is also very important. Plan ahead of time off and understand what you are entitled to for different circumstances, like vacations, sick time, or holidays. Most employers want you to coordinate any leave ahead of time and to indicate the reason and duration of your time off clearly in your leave request. As a new arrival to the country, you'll have important appointments with case managers, medical providers, legal support, and others. BDCC and ECDC can support you to ensure that employers understand these needs and that there is clear and respectful communication in both directions. Treat others with respect. Each workplace has its own culture, but treating those around you with respect is always important. Respect means treating your coworkers with appreciation and dignity. It means listening and being present, paying attention to nonverbal communication and respecting physical boundaries, valuing the time and workloads of others, helping if you were asked to, acknowledging others and saying thank you. Be honest. Honesty is the part of your character that focuses on being truthful, fair, and straightforward, having integrity, and staying away from lies. Building trust means behaving in a manner that earns trust. Employers are trusting you to handle goods and equipment. You're part of a team that relies upon each other to create a safe and productive workplace. Any form of deceit can be grounds for demotion or dismissal, such as claiming to work hours that you did not work or taking home goods that were not explicitly given to you by the employer. Moreover, certain behaviors may be cause for legal action against you, such as theft of goods, vandalism of the workplace, or a physical interaction with a coworker that constitutes assault or harassment.